Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to integrate AI email builder into your Laravel Filament project. By the end of this tutorial, you will have a fully working AI email builder running right inside your Laravel Filament web app. And the best part, every email it generates will match your business identity and styling automatically. Let's get started. We need to go to the documentation. To open the documentation page, you can click docs links here, or you can go docs.emailbuilder.tab. Click get started, and we need to open Laravel Filament instructions. We need to have a Filament project up and running. So I have already installed brand new Laravel project. I'm gonna open this in VS Code and we're gonna install Filament. Once Filament is installed, we're gonna run Filament install command with panels flag. So we're gonna create default panel, which is admin. And next we also make sure we will publish Filament assets. Next we also need to install Laravel Sanctum. So copy this command, run inside terminal. Next we need to add composer credentials to download PHP package from email builder. So copy this command and we're gonna replace username with email@emailexample.com and the token with the actual token you got it from email builder. So what this command does, it create auth.json file at the root of your project, and you're also gonna make sure this is added in git ignore. Next we need to add repository URL from where composer gonna download PHP package. It will add this repository URL right here. Next, let's update app URL with our test domain. So we delete this one and add filament.test. Now we can add PHP package by email builder. So copy this command, paste it here and hit enter. Once this package is installed, it will email builder install command will be available to us. So we're gonna copy this one as well and run inside terminal. So it's gonna ask for the API token. Select the admin panel. And it's gonna ask to create email template resource. So we're gonna say yes. Run migration, yes. The install command creates a bunch of files, and one of that file is this email builder API. This API provides routes to the front end. So we wanna add this API routes to the Laravel routes. To do that, we need to update bootstrap app.php file and need to add API routes right here. We also need to add stateful API middleware from Laravel Sanctum. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna copy this whole content and paste it app.php file here. Next we need to update this email builder route file. So open this file and replace this content with the following content. Now we also need to add environment variables here. Let me clean it up a little bit. So here the token will be the actual token we got it from a email builder. The domain will be our test domain / API prefix. There are several AI providers available. We're gonna start with DeepSeek. In the model we're gonna choose DeepSeek Chat. And I will replace this AI API token behind the scene. We also need to add CSS variables for the styling. Email builder built on top of shared CN. So we're gonna add this variable to the root. Open app.css file. Add this variable here. And we're also gonna add path to the content for tailwind CSS. And let's also make sure to publish the assets file. On updating package or dumping auto layout, we can add these scripts to the composer scripts. Now let's create the test user. We're gonna run php artisan migrate fresh command with the seed flag. And one more thing we need to do, let's go to resource folder, view and welcome, and find deploy, and here we're gonna replace it with login link. We're gonna simply open this URL, which is admin. If we are not logged in, it will by default take us to the login page. We don't want to open this in blank, so remove this blank target. Now we're going to use test@example.com and password is password. Here you can see email templates page. This is an index page where you're gonna see all the email templates, and click this new email template button and we will take into the UI. We did add the CSS variables from the documentation, but we forgot to compile it. So let's rebuild white build. Refresh the page. Our UI looks much better. So we can create email by entering our prompt here. But before we do that, we need to make more changes to a few files. So if we came back here, you go to app, email builder and placeholders. Let's open this first placeholder. By default, we're gonna have business, style, system, typography and user placeholder. These placeholders provide information to the front end via this value property. So these emails are dynamic in nature, and AI will try to add these placeholders and it will replace on runtime via this value property. So you want to make sure this value property match your business and its identity. So what I'm gonna do, I have already prepared this business and style placeholders and replace them with the demo content. Let me bring it here and I'll just paste right here. So that's this business info placeholder which is replaced by demo content. So let's remove this APX to filament, and then we need to add these assets to our public folder. So I'm gonna cut them from here and I'm gonna add right here, and I'm gonna delete actual placeholders, business and style, and I'm gonna move these guys right here. Now we don't need this one. Let's give it a try. So we're gonna write a prompt, create an email to verify email address of newly created user. Select tone to be cheerful, add emojis and hit generate. So once this email has been completed, we can make changes as we need it. So we're gonna move this content to the center, and that's it. Now we're gonna save it. Here we have email subject, and email has been created and saved. So that's it. That's how you're gonna create your emails. In upcoming videos, we're gonna show you how to configure email builder with React, Vue, Filament or Laravel. Thank you and stay connected.